Hey traders, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club. Welcome to the Forex daily trading idea for short-term or day trading. As you know, this is the new journey for me. I started it from a previous week, and you can find all the previous videos from the short-term trading and the day trading opportunities in the playlist inside the YouTube channel. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, I would like to invite you to subscribe. First of all, just go to the subscribe button and make sure to enable the ring notification. Also, would like to invite you to join my live trading rooms that we run on daily basis, where we cover all the trading ideas as they develop day after day, backed up with a full trading report. And to do so, just follow the link below in the description. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel. And if you enjoy the work, the ideas, then please leave your comment. Let me know what do you think about it. So let's quickly review the last opportunities we have been talking about on the previous week. That was the pound versus the Canadian. We had two trend lines in play, first, second, and that was our zone of action here. Retraces, and we were after the buys. And actually the market provided here two opportunities. One that delivered immediately as expected from previous week. By the way, if you missed this video, now on the right corner of the video, you would be able to find the direct link to watch the explanation. So we got a first run, and then we got extra opportunity with the two waves retrace, another bullish hidden divergence, and another run. So this one works perfectly, and great profits were collected here on a very short term. And for the day one, there is the euro versus the pound that, from my point of view, is interesting development. The way I see that the daily movement is trying to create a bullish hidden divergence on a daily chart. The 4 hour would have to basically fit in and provide this ending cycle. And if we split that, if we break it lower, then you would find that the first movement on the 1 hour chart was kind of a triple-double cycle by itself. That is a developing pattern. So I expect the euro-pound to complete the second leg to the downside. So we got the rallies. This provided a 1 hour chart divergence, and I believe there is further move to come. This zone, oops, wrong area. This zone ideally to be cleaned. A lot of stop losses are located here from early buyers, so I believe this area should be cleaned, and we might see that pushing even slightly further to 61.8 Fibonacci expansion around this zone. So there is a good chance that we are heading towards a clearance area, maybe even slightly lower, until the 4 hour would complete this divergence. It would be the place to cash out and enjoy the profits. So my personal view is that for the euro versus the pound, would be looking for sell opportunities, expecting that to push lower. And invalidation of my plan would be if the market suddenly goes and crosses straight through 61.8. That would be a suspicious sign, suspicious movement, and in such case I'll stop looking for the sales opportunities. For more trading opportunities on daily basis, once again I invite you to join us in the live trading room. To do so, just follow the link below in the description. Looking forward to see you and hopefully to help you to get many more of the interesting opportunities. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov, Traders Academy Club.